The rise of voice-activated technology has created an increase in the demand for text-to-speech software that can produce human-sounding voices that can be translated into other languages. While there are already some good text-to-speech tools on the market, such as Wellsaid, Murf AI is a brand new tool with artificial intelligence capabilities that may help take the industry to the next level. But what makes this tool so special? Let's talk about it in our review of Murf AI, the best AI-powered text-to-speech tool on the market. If you're looking to turn your written documents into audio recordings, there are two main ways to do it: with text-to-speech software or with an artificial intelligence voiceover tool. While both approaches accomplish the same task in their own unique way, this tool incorporates both. If you want to learn more about how these AI voice generator works and how this voice AI can help you suit your text-to-voice speech needs, then keep watching. What is Murf AI? Murf is an AI text-to-speech tool that was created to assist you in creating voiceovers. It revolutionizes the way you create and edit voiceovers, allowing you to quickly create realistic, human-like voices. It allows users to synthesize speech from text and incorporate it into videos and presentations. It's an AI-powered application that generates ultra-realistic voiceovers in 130-plus voices and 20 languages, and can sync them perfectly with videos. Who is this for? Murf AI is a must-have tool for corporations, small and medium organizations, businesses, and individual content creators that want to create super-realistic voices in a variety of ages, languages, and accents without having to hire expensive voiceover artists. From L&D authors and podcasters, to educators, animators, product developers, YouTubers, freelancers, and corporate coaches, this platform is ideal for content creators across all industries. The tool is also ideal for those on a tight budget who want to make voice-overs. You can sign up on Murf through the link in the description. Features of Murf AI. What's included and what can you do? Murf AI allows you to make realistic recordings that are out of this world, such as e-learning content, software demos, product and app explainer videos, YouTube videos and podcasts, IVR for phone system and virtual assistants, audio blogs, audiobooks, video sales letter, games and animation characters, and more. With the platform's AI-powered audio, you can easily create and adjust your content, as well as make future modifications. You can also use this tool to add voice-overs to your social media posts to make them more interesting. Here are some features of Murf AI. 1. Library of premium AI voices. For your premium content, the platform also provides a varied inventory of voices. With a single membership, you'll have access to an ever-growing library of natural-sounding voices in a variety of accents and languages. Murf continues to add more voices on a regular basis, most recently adding African-American AI voices and a few more. It may be the first text-to-speech platform with African-American AI voices, thus diversifying the platform's voice collection. 2. Audio editor that is text-based. The program handles both voice and text inputs, which means you may upload an audio or text file and have it instantaneously turned into any voice you want. You may simply modify your recorded voice-overs with the simple yet powerful text-based audio editor, which allows you to edit voice-overs in the same manner that you would with text. Here are some things you can do inside: add video, music or images, create dialogues, standardize pronunciations, voice customization, speed, pitch, emphasis, etc. Grammar assistant, bulk upload via TXT, docx, and SRT format files. 3. Collaborate with your team. This platform is built for teams, with features that allow you to collaborate with peers all around the world to create voice-overs on a large scale. Multiple users can also be added, workspaces can be created and delegated, and access can be controlled. Your projects and voices will be saved for future editing, and you'll be able to collaborate with your team on a single platform to create, edit, share, and collaborate. You can also upload and import scripts, making your work more easier. With the Enterprise package, you may generate best-in-class, natural-sounding voices and perform e-learning narrations at scale, independent of the authoring tool you're using, such as Adobe Captivate, iSpring, Articulate 360, and so on. 4. AI Voice Changer. This Murf-only function allows you to convert your voice over from a simple recording to a high-quality AI voice. There are a plethora of AI speech options available, all of which are simple to use and alter. The software creates voiceovers with your desired personality and tone using natural language processing and machine learning technology. 5. Strong data security. Murf Studio takes pride in its robust data security and protection processes. Two-factor authentication protects access control, and all data is stored on secure servers. It's kept on Amazon Web Services, which complies with all applicable data privacy and security laws, including GDPR, PCI, DSS, SOC 1, SOC 2, SOC, HIPAA, HIDIS, FedRAMP. The technology ensures that all data flowing through the platform's global network of data centers is automatically encrypted before leaving the secure facilities, keeping your data safe whether it's at rest or in transit. These are just some of Murf's features. There are many more. Get started with Murf AI. At Murf AI, you'll find a powerful text-to-speech voice generator. The tool is designed with artificial intelligence and machine learning that allows it to improve its vocal output over time. It can also be used in applications like virtual assistants, as well as provide audio content for people who are visually impaired. To get started on Murf, just create an account. You can start with the free plan to test it out, and then upgrade later. After signing up on Murf and verifying your email, you'll be taken to your project dashboard that looks like this. At the top of the page, you'll see the following tabs: Video/Images, Voices, Soundtrack, AI Changer, Script, Settings, FAQ. You'll notice there's a box below the tabs where you can input or copy and paste your script into the audio blocks. When you click on the audio block, the Voices tab will automatically be highlighted. If not, then click on it. You can choose the voice you want from the wide selection. You can equally adjust the speech, pitch, volume, etc. Why should you use Murf AI and why we recommend it? Murf's text-to-speech is incredible. Whether you're looking for a voice generator or text-to-voice software, their text-to-speech will blow you away. This is how future generations will consume content, with amazing voices and exciting narratives that keep your ears glued. If you want a text-to-speech with download, this is the best one for you. There are a lot of text-to-speech tools available online, and they all claim to be better than each other in some way. Why should you use Murf AI, though? Well, firstly and more importantly, it is incredibly powerful and uses artificial intelligence so that it can learn how you speak. It is a high-quality, low-cost option for creating voice-over narrations for a variety of uses. It's simple to use, quick, and provides excellent results, making it an essential tool for all your future tasks. Murf Studio is an easy-to-use voice-over generator and editor. You don't need any voice-over expertise or talents to create your digital voice. Voiceovers take less time to create. Murf Studio has reduced the time it takes to produce voice-overs from weeks to minutes. Murf's large library of voices in a variety of languages continues to expand. A single subscription gives you access to the whole collection. The pros of Murf AI. You can choose from a wide choice of voices on the platform. It has more than 130 voices for text-to-speech, and this includes both male and female voices. The tool also has a Google Slides add-on, which is an available option to use. You can create flawless voices by altering the pitch, speed, tone, and other aspects of your voice. Murf has a strong data security and protection system. Their access points use two-factor authentication with explicit role separation and risk assessments that are reviewed on a regular basis. There are several voice effects, such as monster voices and helium voices, can be used during or after the voice-over recording. Murf AI supports both audio and text-based inputs. You can input text or an audio file to be converted into the voice of your choice instantly. The cons of Murf AI. Individuals will find Murf to be fairly costly. Premium plans are perfect for organizations or businesses that develop voice-over content on a regular basis, but they can be costly for individuals. In this scenario, the free plan may be more appropriate. Murf AI pricing. Murf AI offers a free forever plan, as well as 3 monthly membership options for individuals, professionals, and teams. By paying annually, you can save a whopping 33% on the subscription payment. In the free plan, try all 120+ voices, 10 minutes of voice generation, 10 minutes of transcription. Share link for audio or video output. No downloads, single user. No credit card required. Basic plan costs $19 per month or $13 per month paid yearly. You get unlimited downloads, 2 hours of voice generation per month, access to 60 voices, 10 languages, commercial usage rights, chat and email support, single user. Pro plan costs $39 per month or $26 per month paid yearly. You get unlimited downloads, 8 hours of voice generation per month, 4 hours of transcription per month, access 120 plus voices, 20 languages, commercial usage rights, recorded voice editing, voice changer, up to 3 users, priority support. Enterprise plan costs $249 per month or $166 per month, paid yearly. You get 5 plus users, unlimited voice generation time, unlimited transcription time, custom voices, single sign-on, collaboration and access control, dedicated account representative, centralized invoicing, service agreement, deletion recovery, unlimited storage. Is it worth it to get Murf AI? This platform, which is widely regarded as the finest AI voiceover software, includes a plethora of features that make Murf not only one of the most time and cost-effective tools available, but also one of the most enjoyable to use. To be honest, I was blown away by how easy it was to use Murf. When I started generating my first piece of content with Murf's text-to-speech feature, I couldn't believe that such high-quality recordings could be generated in real time with no audio editing required on my part. In a matter of seconds, I had completed my first recording and found myself shocked at how natural and fluid it sounded. Instead of the time-consuming procedure of sending scripts to agencies or voice-over freelancers and waiting hours or even days for voiceovers, you'll be able to make amazing voiceovers in minutes with it. So yes, it's worth it. Here are some frequently asked questions about Murf AI. What sets Murf apart from other text-to-speech applications? For your projects, Murf provides high-quality, natural-sounding AI voices. Take a look around the studio for yourself. Murf isn't just a text-to-speech program. It comes with a comprehensive toolkit for creating voiceover videos. You can mix and match images, movies, and music, change the timing, and so forth. Can I try Murf for free? Yes, they have a completely free plan. Simply log into the studio and start working on a project. You'll get 10 minutes of free voice generation time in your account to try out the studio's voices and other features. How is voice generation time calculated? The total of each text block's generated speech length is used to compute voice creation time. It's used whenever you render a new text block or change the text in an existing text block. For the same text, changing the voice actor, style, pitch, speed, pause, emphasis, pronunciation, punctuation, and volume will not affect the voice generation time. Can I collaborate with my team on Murf? They provide solutions that allow you to set up a distinct workspace for your team to work on projects together. Visit their pricing page to learn more about these programs. Why should I use an AI voice generator instead of hiring voice artists? The process of making voice-overs is simplified when AI voice creators are used. It gives you entire control over your workflow and allows you to convert your home recordings or scripts to voiceovers. Text-to-speech with AI saves time and money while maintaining the quality of your voiceovers. If you want to try out the Murf AI voiceover tool, there's a link to their site in the description below.